welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is my first video on my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about PyCharm. So if you are started with learning some basic programming language, so you must know some idea, to learn to code and execute your program. So when you start with PyCharm, there are a few important things you need to know. Is first how to create a project. So once you install the PyCharm on your machine, so you will get some kind of window, right? So I will show you. So basically you will get this kind of window. So once you have your PyCharm installed, so you go to new project. So on new project it will ask you to create a folder, right? So your folder is basically your project and your virtual environment. So let's say in your system drive, you create a folder. Okay, let's say I don't have any folder, no existing folder. Let's say I want to create a new folder here. Let's say demo. Okay, so once you created this folder, okay, so you click on OK. It will ask you how to create the environment for this particular project folder. So you can select Conda environment, PIP environment or virtual environment. So I have my Python Conda distribution, so I'll select Conda environment. So the Python version you can select like 3.7, 3.6 or anything, and you want this new environment to available to all your projects, so you can click on this. So we'll keep at none. We will not going to select this one. If you want from existing environment, you can directly find any of the environment which you have already created previously. So we'll click on new environment, then we'll click on create. Maybe you can add a main.py script into that project folder. So you click on create. Okay, once you click on create, it will ask you for creating the project on this window or a new window. So we'll click on new window. Once the basic environment creation, project folder creation is done, we'll get a window like this. Okay, so most of the people don't know what is this configuration mean, right? So in configuration, let's say I create a new Python file. Let's say we want to give it as program.py. Okay, so most of the times what happens, when you click on this run button, you will not see your actual program.py file to be run. So how to make this program.py file to run when you click on this run button? So you have to edit the configuration here. So in edit configuration, okay, you select the path or the file which you want to execute here. So click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. Now you can see the configuration has been created. So if you want, let's say I want to print hello. So once you save this one, when you click on run, so it will going to run the program.py file. Okay, and this is the terminal. Okay, so whenever you create a new project folder and the new environment, so in our case we have created this demo folder with the environment name as demo. So you will see the environment name on this file path along with the environment name. So you can verify it from here. So this is all about the basic of creating a project folder and creating a Python file and adding configuration. On going ahead, I will keep on posting new tutorials about Python, PyCharm, and anything related to data science, and same for that. Thank you.